Good day, everyone. Today, I want to remind you that chasing a luxurious lifestyle is not just about material wealth. Luxury living is primarily a state of inner abundance and peace. To achieve the life of your dreams, you must first understand your own worth and take steps towards your goals. Luxury living is not just about expensive cars and flashy houses, it's also about internal richness and contentment. View each day as an opportunity and move forward with a powerful motivation that guides your life. Putting effort into reaching your set goals is a process filled with patience and determination. Remember, luxury living involves not only material wealth but also health, family, love, and happiness. A life filled with inner richness brings external success along with it. Believe in your own potential, focus on your goals, and progress each day with small steps. To achieve the luxury lifestyle of your dreams, enrich not only the external world, but also your inner world. When you embark on this journey, turn challenges into opportunities and make the most of every moment. Luxury living is not just about what you have, it's about your lifestyle. Create your own luxury lifestyle, and by sharing this journey, motivate others, because real luxury living is more meaningful when shared.